Hey, so we're out here on Hose Road in Moravian Falls, North Carolina.
Tucked in the mountains of Wilkes County, North Carolina.
Check out the cool barn. That is awesome. And then the property goes all the way up to the top of the ridge.
Yeah, it runs along the front, and it's got quite a bit of frontage here on Hose Road as it wraps around and kind of goes deep back over across the hill, and a beautiful creek flowing right here on the other side of the pasture.
Yeah, hey, this is some pretty land right here, and there's some awesome views and some good building sites over there too.
And it's got a roughed-in road too, so if somebody wants to drive back down in the woods, as long as they got a four-wheel drive, you got a pretty good road to get you back through.
And make it up that hill too.
And make it up that hill.
Yeah, so they're finishing up the survey, and we're going to sell this property. You can get all the information at ncauctionpro.com. But let's go down here and check out this creek. I want everybody to see the creek too.
There's high-speed internet on this road too, so you're way out in the middle of nowhere, but you do have fiber internet, which is a plus.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Movies at the cabin are better.
That's right. Work from home out here in this beautiful country.
Yeah.
But check this creek out, and there's a lot of frontage on this creek. Correctly, it kind of runs.
Yeah, it wraps all the way around back toward the barn.
Okay.
And
then you said it kind of turns back.
Yeah.
And then the line will head back up the ridge.
And they head back up the ridge, and then there's this is the main creek, but there's another spring, and a really bold spring that that then trickles into a little creek that could be a water source for the property as well.
Nice. Nice. So check it out, ncauctionpro.com. Check it out, ncauctionpro.com. You can get all the information there.